Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hey everyone, so I'm back with another mini of the miniest AliExpress hauls, so let's jump right into it. The first few things are going to be from Rhinestone Factory, and these are rhinestones. So I did get a couple of shapes. These are 100 pieces and they were multicolored, and let me just adjust the light so you guys can see shine on that. So these are diamonds. I feel like they either call them like trapezoids or something or another, but anyway, these are diamonds and the glitz is awesome. I got some triangles. I don't know, these no, they're 100 because if they were 30 they'd be smaller than that. So triangles. I also got these like teardrops, and then there are quite a few, you know, all of them have the same kind of colors. I got these hearts, and again, this AliExpress haul, like all of these videos were basically in Florida for like a year, and I'm literally here sitting thinking of these hearts, and I'm like, where were you during the Valentine's Day series that I did? Do you know? But you can't even be mad. At least I got my stuff. And so these are some squares. So yeah. So then this last thing is from the Enjoy's Life store, and this is a small LED lamp, which is going to be great for me because you've seen it a lot on my channel. I ordinarily use base coat to adhere my tips, which I really only did that because I didn't have any like nail glue, and my KDS glue was taking forever to get here, but it is here. But now I'm so used to using base glue as an adhesive. So here is my little lamp, and I tell you what, these, I always look at them on other people's channel. I'm like, yo, I wonder how that feels. There's a good weight there. Doesn't feel like it's cheap or anything like that if you guys have one of these. This like little bit right here that's like good for grip, this is so nice. And I'm gonna put on the screen what I paid for these items originally, not that they may be the same price still, and I will link the stores as well as links if I can below in the description box. But I don't think I paid a lot of money for this, and this feels really, really nice. I'm super impressed. This is way better than I thought it was going to be. So here you can see the inside of it. It takes 3 AAA batteries, 1, 2, and then 1 here. And there is the inside of it. Jeez, even the inside's pink. I mean, did they know I was coming to order this? I don't think they did, but this is preparation at its best. So I would have put, you know, AAA batteries in this and tested it for you guys, but then I'd have to yank it out of my children's remote for their TV or their Tory or something like that, and that's just cruel and unusual punishment. So all right guys, so that's just it for this mini haul. I kept it under 3 minutes. Awesome sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I promise to see you guys in the next one. Bye.